Reachable keeps the log file history of your repositories as a graph in HydraDB. Every commit, every resolved version, and every dependency edge, and answers 6 questions against it. Every answer carries the statement that produced it, and the numbers are measured, not estimated. Now let me show you what the HydraDB actually holds. This is where we can see all our services ingested, and we can also walk through this data. So as you can see, the numbers shows that we have 17 services currently active in our database HydraDB, and particular log files, versions, packages, advisories, maintainers, and files, and when was the last ingest done, and then a filter ratio for the entire graph area. So as you can see, this particularly pulled 3 log files and the related services. So yes, we also have the advisories and the maintainers and also the packages as well. We can also use this to move around and also open this in the particular area and query. Now let's talk about the next feature, which is the MCP. So I have also utilized the MCP and created a runnable service which will allow you to connect this to your any coding CLI agent, which whether it be Cloud Code and any other services you use. And the configuration and the setup is quite simple and easy enough, as we've all have been doing up so far. And for any other queries or more information, you can always check out the docs as well.